Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the modern world of bathroom fittings, specifically how to install a concealed shower, a concealed flush tank, and a concealed commode. These sleek, space-saving designs are becoming a popular choice for stylish, contemporary bathrooms. Let's start with the concealed shower system. Unlike traditional surface-mounted fixtures, a concealed shower hides all the pipework and valves inside the wall, offering a clean and minimalist finish. First, mark the positions for your shower mixer valve and outlets. Next, chase the wall to fit your concealed pipes securely. Install the mixer valve at a comfortable height, usually around 42 to 48 inches from the floor. Ensure the pipes are properly connected to the hot and cold water supply. Once installed, cover the wall and apply your chosen tile or wall finish. Finally, fix the control plate and shower head, and test for leaks. Now, moving on to the concealed flush tank, often called a concealed cistern. This system hides the water tank inside the wall, giving your bathroom a seamless look. Start by marking the position where your wall-hung or floor-mounted commode will be installed. Secure the concealed cistern frame inside the wall, ensuring it's at the correct height. Connect the inlet water supply and drainage pipe. Once in place, cover the wall using cement board or tiles, leaving an access panel for future maintenance. Install the flush plate on the wall for easy operation. Lastly, let's talk about installing the concealed commode. Whether it's a wall-hung model or floor-mounted with a concealed tank, precise alignment is key. After positioning the commode according to the manufacturer's guide, connect it to the waste outlet pipe. Ensure all fittings are sealed properly with waterproof silicone. Fix the commode onto its frame or base, and attach the seat cover. Test the flush and water flow to confirm everything is working perfectly. And that's it, a quick guide to installing a concealed shower, flush tank, and concealed commode. These modern fixtures not only save space, but also add a clean, elegant look to any bathroom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional plumbing tips and guides. See you in the next video.